have been crucified with Christ, yet I live no longer I, but Christ lives in me. These are words of St. Paul, and St. Paul had, from the moment of his conversion, a deep intimacy with Jesus the man, the human being. Nonetheless, St. Paul was also acutely aware that Jesus is the Son of God, the second person of the Blessed Trinity. And with these words regarding the sense of crucifixion, he's also speaking of how through suffering, through mortification and penance, we can be identified with Jesus Christ and live anew on account of his resurrection, even with divine life. So we can live identified with Christ. We can discover Christ by having his very feelings, his own sentiments, by feeling him alive in our will and in our understanding. So we can understand Jesus as God, as our Lord, as the Messiah. This is what St. Paul understood on account of his conversion. When Jesus struck him with a lightning bolt from heaven, he understood that Jesus the Christ, whom he was persecuting, is God himself and is the Redeemer, the Messiah.